Hi guys, it's Melissa and welcome to the Healing Circle and today's segment of What's on Your Plate. So, as always, or as of lately, Kyle has been waiting till the last minute for us to find out what he's helping us to prepare. So, I guess we're just gonna head into his little area and see what he's got cooking for us today. So, see you guys in just a second.
Alright, so thinking it was fall, I thought we'd make a cool, fun recipe. Again, you start with, we're making butternut squash soup. Wow. So to start, you roast off one large butternut squash, dice it up, roast it, just a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. And we're going to go and put that, this bowl is very hot. And try to get it in the blender. Ooh, this is going to get interesting real quick. Shove some of that down so there's more room. Got 2 cups of apples that we actually picked ourselves. Good fresh apples. Any tartar apple will do. Or more tart, I should say. Start with a little bit. You want to go behind with about, say, half a cup to a cup of vegetable stock. Okay, so sorry about that. We blended it a little bit more just so we could have space to make the amount we're making. You want to go behind with just a little bit of cayenne pepper. So after the apples, got some apples added in there. A little bit of cayenne pepper. A little bit heavier on the paprika than you are on the cayenne pepper, just because it's not as spicy. Salt. A little bit of pepper. Now the flavors fall. A little bit of nutmeg. A little bit of allspice. And just as you're blending it, you want to add a little bit more veg stock. Always start with less than you think you're going to need, because you can always add more. Can't really take it out after. And you just want to keep blending until you get a nice soup-like consistency. So we're gonna top that. Switch that down in. Start working the top. Anytime you're dealing with an open top, so if you ever take your little guard off the blender, make sure you start on a chop. If you hit it and it has hot stuff and you just hit the strong puree button, it's gonna volcano out the top. You're gonna end up with a mess and probably some burns too. Little safety tip. Just a tad bit thicker. So this is about the consistency you're looking for. After you add, take away as needed. And just like this, serve it in a nice bowl. If you're wanting to garnish, best case for this, just take a little bit of paprika and just sprinkle it over the top like that. Adds a little bit of color to it. Or you could add some fresh apples if you wanted. But there you have a very easy butternut squash soup.
So we're back, and butternut squash soup. I love butternut squash and soup, and together they can't be wrong, right? So I'm excited to try this. Super, super excited. It looks good, smells good. Know we had a wee bit of a ish with that little blender trying to mix it up, so um, make sure you're cautious of that. But it came out nice and smooth and yummy looking, so can't wait to try. Just a little reminder, guys, because standard veggie stock is prepared in the same area as like the beef and the chicken or bone broth stock. So if you are a strict vegan, then make sure it says vegan on the container so that way you know they are or supposed to be processing it separately from all of the other um, items. So anyway, we are about to wrap this video up because it was a pretty quick one. I'm trying to get longer ones here, but if they don't take long, I don't want to sit on here and blah, blah, blah. I want you to be able to get to making your soup, get to eating it, and getting to having that yummy, 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 yummy buddy squash, butternut squash. I can say it. I said yummy too many times. It tripped me up. Anyway, guys, if you like the recipe, make sure you like it. If you think someone else will like it, or you want to share it with other people, please feel free to share it. Um, as always, subscribe, notify, subscriptions there. Once you subscribe, it will give you this little bell symbol, and you can notify to be told if we have other dishes on here or other segments. Um, so make sure you subscribe. It's helpful to us. Thank you so much for that. Like, share, and comment. Let me know what you think about the soup. If you tried it, if you added something to it, if you made it your little special twist. Well, let me know down there. Let me know if you want to see something else made on here. He's pretty flexible, and that way we might actually know because he's been surprising us. So if one of you say, hey, I'd like to see this done, then at least we have an idea, right? So I don't mind the surprises, though. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment below. And I can't wait to see you Wednesday on Food for Thought. And until then, guys, please stay. Oh, wait. Almost missed me saying you guys are awesome and you guys are loved. So don't ever forget that. Now, until Wednesday, guys, stay healthy and stay safe.